Hey, this technically is the first video. I've made one before, but I'm Jermaine Callando, and guess what? Valentine's Day is happening. But before that, we're gonna do 2 topics in one. This is stand-up, but also I want to get this out of my bones. I recently did a cleanse. No, I did not do some type of bowel movement that's called a cleanse. No, that's just me using the bathroom, or me regulating my body. Don't know why they call it a cleanse. Differences. I went to Instagram and I was like, who's not really on Instagram like they used to be? And we're still friends and I'm following them. My followers are lower than who I'm following. And as you see this, I am making that not happening. I want to get to 1,000 that I'm following. So I'm going to do the cutthroat thing, because guess what? It ain't really fair. You don't like me, I'm trying my best to promote me. See what I'm saying? Promote me. I did the same thing on Facebook while deleting friends. Guess what Facebook did? They recommended me for other friends. Yes. So imagine to my delight that I have people that like me. More people. Facebook limit is 5,000. Do you know where I'm at? Still in the 4,000. Why? Because I feel very vain. But if I had my choice, it would be 6. Okay, I'm lying. It'd be at least 2,000. Because I don't really want to see the same 6 people. That's like me staying in the house. Choices that I make, that I say. So, okay, that's topic 1. But for new friends, if this is the first day you've seen this, and you see it, you're like, oh my God, who is that man that I just be friends with that's trying my best to be funny? Don't call me baby. Don't call me out my name. Why? Because I get creeped out. It is Jermaine. It also is, hey man, hey friend. I love those general things. Don't call me sexualized things. That weirds me out. If we talk to each other and we both do the sexual things, that means I'm into you. But if you do stuff like saying, when you meet me means message me. Message me means you literally just DM me. Hey. See what I'm saying? Hey, good conversation. How you doing? That's it. Beautiful. We're doing great. I'm okay. How are you? What are you up to? Easy, right? This is not how things normally go. Today, I've been called baby 6 times, and I look at that man that asked me repeatedly, why are you calling me this name? I don't know you. You want to meet me. You want to know if I drive. I am creeped out. Don't ask these questions unless you live in the same city. Not same city, stop asking these questions. Thank you, management. Now on to some more funniness. Valentine's Day is coming. I know. Aren't you ready? I'm single, so. And I also did a quiz. The quiz told me that I'm going to sleep that day. Quiz not wrong. Now with who? Myself and Sheila. Sheila's my bed. I love my bed though. Shout out to a queen. Size bed. I think it's a 4. I call it the queen because, you know, king, queen, and I'm a queen. Moments of my life that I can't get back. So what I want to say to all of those out there that's been with someone for 6 months, this gift matters. 4 months, this gift matters. 2 weeks, you literally just need to go on a date. More than 6 months, yeah, do something. Care. Now this conversation does stop at 2 years. This conversation will really stop at 5 years. You've been with the same person for a minute. They should know by now. Don't expect much out of your ass. See what I'm saying? Look at me, Karen. Don't know what's going on with glasses, and I just saw that. Oh, sorry. I realized this and they're getting foggy. Context will be the next video. Ding. So, I really want to say to all the people out there that I personally think the Valentine's Day is dead. Romance is dead. And I think mainly I'm a little bitter. I feel bitter. It's okay. But I want to say this to people out there. If you still believe in romance and you want to do something special for Valentine's Day, you do that. You go for your heart's desire. I believe in you. But still, for Side Chick Day, you know that day means the 15th. And for those that get it early, that's the 13th. Yes. And also remember, after Valentine's Day, if the gift sucks, just get in the gym. Cuffing season is almost over. I see you. Yes. Spring is among us. I'm so happy. Not because my birthday's happening, I'm turning 30. But other than that, I really want to say spring is coming up. Get your body together so you can get someone new. Cuffing season really means cuddling season. Cuddling season is going on right now. And also, don't forget, Valentine's Day is really it. If you have a baby by that person, Father's Day is, I guess, your last holiday until the holidays really come back. All the other holidays are really just parties. Easter is a family get together or a dinner party. Memorial Day, just a party. Cinco de Mayo, for those that celebrate, just a party. St. Patrick's Day, a drunken party. 4th of July, those that celebrate, another party. June 10th, black people version of 4th of July, it's a party. This is literally the last gift you gotta get. So do better. If not, it's okay. I get you. Just saying. Other than that, that's all I have. Valentine's Day is happening and I'm so excited for so many people. I guess I should seem more excited, but okay, why not? Alright, also, other than that, I'll see you with the next video. This is Jermaine Callando. That means I'm Jermaine Callando. This channel is Jermaine Callando. If you follow me on Facebook, that's Jermaine A. Callando. If you follow me on Instagram, that's Jermaine Callando. JERMAINE CALLANDO. Please, don't friend request me unless you are trying to talk. Also, please do follow. I will follow back if interesting. If boring, I have another story about that next week. Ain't my fault you was boring. Long talk. See you with the next one.